in the current state of the Philippines, makikita naman natin mga Pilipino kung ano ba, paano ba nila ginagamit yung pork barrel or yung fundings natin sa bansa natin. Ano ba yung naging reflection neto throughout the days? Let's start with the flood control issue. And not only but the flood control issues, but other party lists na nakikinabang or let's say na nag-advocate for help or nag-empower sa so-called na tulong para sa bayan, hindi nagre-reflect mismo sa situation natin ngayon.
Alright, Pat, thank you. Andre.
Pero hindi mo kasi pwedeng i-generalize na yung sinabi niya na for flood control lang yung party list system niyan, since ang party list system is for representation of marginalized groups and underrepresented groups ng Philippines. So, hindi lang naman dun yung factors na nakaka-affect dun. So, marami pa siyang ibang factors na pasok pa dun sa may party list system na, ayun nga, in-establish siya to mechanize na magkaroon sila ng representation sa ating,
Okay, sige. Lagyan natin ng meaning. What do we mean by representation? And how do we know if a certain group or a certain person who is holding the seat is effective in holding that representation? Pat?
Again, representation is equivalent to the definition of advocating, empowering, and influencing. Sa isang organization, equivalent to a party list, kung ano yung ina-empower nilang motive, kung ano yung ina-empower nila sa mga mamamayan, ayun dapat yung sector na kanilang tinatalakay. What you mentioned earlier that it's not focusing about the flood control, well, it's an example. However, sa iba pang examples natin dito, marginalized sectors are the ones who are prone for this activity. Kaya nga, sumasailalim pa rin yung mga Pilipino, we are still benefiting whether it is good or bad.
ayun nga, yun yung issue kasi, di ba? Ang issue natin dito is abolishment. So, kayo is pro-abolish kayo sa sa mga party list system natin. So, sinasabi mo na ang kailangan, as mentioned by your co-team, so yung team member mo is, ang sabi niya kasi is, ang kailangan natin is reform. So, yun nga yung inaano namin na ang kailangan natin is reform, hindi siya removal. Kasi yung sa inyo kasi is abolish, which means to remove. So, ang kailangan natin is reform kasi ang issue naman natin dito, ang system is hindi siya yung main issue. Ang main issue dito is yung abuse sa system.
So when you say reform, technically, it's not just providing alternatives or alternative solution. Meaning to say, kung nakita mo na yung gulay, namumulok na yan, kasama pa ng iba pang gulay na fresh pa, hahayaan mo ba mamulok yung gulay na yon? Hindi, di ba? Bakit? Kasi in order for us to achieve that utopian or let's say ideal society, you have to advocate for reformation within the society. Sa atin mismo magsisimula yun. Sa atin mismo mga Pilipino, kung paano natin yan lilinisin muna bago natin papalitan yung sistema.